All right, guys, here we are with another unboxing. What we have here is the one, the only Avata, and let's crack it open. So first of all, it's pretty easy to release. There's a little seal right here that you need to open up, and when you do, on the inside you have a great little quad. Let's listen to this. There you go. Was that satisfying? Let's open up the quad real quick so you guys can take a quick look at this. It is pretty fantastic with a gimbal guard in the front that you can remove and the battery back in the back. On the bottom, you will find a slot here where you can put your micro SD card, which is pretty cool. A whole bunch of awesome sensors on the bottom, which will help with liftoff and landing, so takeoff and landings. And this, I do believe, is pretty easy, straightforward. Just like the DJI Mini 2, the cover comes off really, really easily. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the stuff in the box.